Hello and welcome to Unreal Engine. This is the best program that you should be using. So, whatever program you're using, get rid of it and download Unreal Engine. 4 or 5, they're both great. 5 has some new, more experimental features that are high end. 4, I would say, is more stable. It's been around for a while and they've perfected it. I have the latest version, 4.27.3, I believe it is. 4.27.2, which is very similar to 5. It has a lot of the same features. So everything that you see in this is very similar, the interface to Unreal Engine 5. So you can follow along with this. Doesn't matter which version you're planning on using. So down here, I just want to make you familiar with the interface. We have our scene. Down here in the content browser, we have our files, which are all depicted as these graphics. They have thumbnails. And we have over here, we can show or hide the sources panel. I usually leave this open. This is just the same thing as what's over here. You see, you click on a folder and it'll show you in this panel as well. And then up in the upper left, we have basic things like you can drag a cube into your scene or a sphere, and you've got lights. You can bring a light into your scene. You've got tons of options in here of different things that you can place directly into your scene. On the right, we have the world outliner, which is just whenever you select an object in your world, it's over here in your world outliner. And then you have your levels tab. These are all levels that stream in and out as the character moves from area to area. And then down here in the lower right, we have all of the information based on the actor that we've selected. Its location, rotation, what skeletal mesh is being used, all the stats for it, its physics properties, the clothing properties, collision, everything you need is right there that you can see. Now this actor here, this is a character blueprint, and you can click on this blue button, edit blueprint, open this up, and this will give you the actual blueprint. This is the blueprint for the main character in this game. So if you go to the viewport, click on the character, hit F, and it'll focus in on the character. Now you can see the character over here on the left. You can see all the components that are attached to the character, such as cameras and lights and arrows, whatever you need. And down here, lower left, we have all of our functions, all our variables. On the right, more properties. And we have all these tabs across the top. The main tabs we have are the viewport, the construction script. The construction script runs all the time. So this would be something that you would set up for level designers, so they can change things in real time and see the effects right away. And the main tab is the event graph, and this is where all the programming happens. And this is just a series of events, and it follows the logic from left to right as you plug these in. And we have all these various nodes that all do different things. And this is the alternative to coding a language by being required to type all the syntax in, which is very detail oriented. It is very difficult to master a programming language. However, this blueprint system is right up my alley, and I'm sure there's a lot of people who learn visually like I do, work visually, and this is an incredible system. It's got no rival. There's no rival to this system. It is incredible. Unreal Engine is a whole package, and in the next video I'm just going to go over a basic tutorial, how to get started, how to import a character from another 3D package. I will be using 3D Studio Max, but you can use anything, and I'll show you how to export the FBX file from the 3D suite that you use into Unreal Engine, and then how to set it up, how to put it in the game, how to get it moving, how to get it to perhaps fire a weapon, and then we'll put some enemies in, how to get them to walk around, how to set up the animation, how to set up variables for health, and calculate that so that when you run out of health that you die, and we'll go over how to set up the interface. So everything will just make a basic little game where you walk around with a guy and you shoot a gun at zombies. And so this is what this whole tutorial series will be about. So looking forward to the next video. You'll have a good day.